We were just sent this desk calendar. I want to show you. So this is a July 2026 through December of 2027. It's a really beautiful calendar. It's like got leather on the corners like that. And then if you need to change the month, you can just pull this out. See if I can do it one-handed. I'm gonna pull this out here. The month itself, you have, let's see if it'll focus. We have the days of the month, we have notes, and we have the month before and the month after, which is really nice. When you're changing the month, it is like you can tear it off like this when you're ready for that. And like I said, it goes from July 2026 all the way to December of 2027, which is awesome. So another cool thing is, if I can pull this out, it has different colors. So July is green. August, I think I saw red or pink. In September, I really like the text and the font. It's a really beautiful classic look, as well as the numbers. I also like how you have your little holidays written in already, ready to go. There's that. If you are needing a little desk calendar, this is a great one to consider. I'll flip to the end so we can see the end here. And this is the last one, December of 2027. So this is a great option. It's very sleek looking. It's very, really beautiful and aesthetic. And I really like how it has this leather mat for underneath it. It keeps it nice, and it keeps the corners. You know how sometimes corners just kind of peel up after so much flipping back and forth? This will help keep the corners nice, which is really cool. So if you're looking into desk calendars, highly recommend this one.